A constitution is a legal document which outlines the relationship between your main arms of state, your executive, legislature or parliament, and a constitution is also the supreme law of the land where all other laws have to conform to. And that's also where we get the title of the exhibition, Law of the Land. On display in the exhibition is an original copy of Raffles' regulations were set out across 1823.
These texts that were written with iron gall ink in calligraphic handwritten text, they're the founding collections of the National Archives of Singapore, and it has been in a collection since at least 1938.
And I think these two are very interesting because they represent this period of time in Singapore's history when we were ruled by consecutive military administrations, and also it represented a very turbulent period in Singapore's history.
What they did was that they made voter registration automatic so as to ensure that more of the eligible voters would be able to vote.
So for me, one of the more interesting documents are the Proclamation of Malaysia and the Proclamation of Singapore joining Malaysia. The fact that they were so big, they were really large scale, and this makes the document very, very resplendent.
When the Deputy Prime Minister, Dr. Toh Chin Chye, and Minister for Culture, S. Rajaratnam, found out the drafting of the separation agreement, they were shocked. They were very reluctant to sign off the separation agreement. In fact, they didn't want to sign.
So 1 year after our independence, they decided to convene a constitutional commission to look into how we can safeguard multiracialism in our constitution. So each document explores certain milestones in our political and constitutional history. It gives the entire Singapore story a much greater depth than it has previously been explored.
It's Law of the Land, highlights of Singapore's constitutional documents.
Gain fresh insights into the Singapore story through the lenses of these milestone constitutional documents, many of them displayed for the first time.
This is held in the National Gallery, Singapore, at the Chief Justice's Chamber and Office.